Kum uwe ni kiriu rang ba ka jela ubla no sinyang bha shibun e na ka benta ban kintiu ka pot ka tem bat ka ruai ka siaw bat balatep pat ba ru kum uta ubob tilen ha ka ri hi baro ka we Bah Lou Majaw minta ka singi ula shapen ka burom da ka kerdan Doctor of Literature ha ka tent convocation ka skul Bah USTM hari Bhoi ha kini kasngi kinong ruai bapaw bakentop ya Bah Lou Majaw bat uzubin gar kum kinong ruai kila shapen ko burom ya ka jo ka kerdan Doctor of Literature bat ha kini kasngi lapen ko burom ru ya ki hajar ngut ki samla pule ki bala pendap ya ka graduation postgraduate bat kentop ru ya ki bala pendap ya ka kerdan PhD na katai ka skul Bah USTM ha kini kasngi ladan ringkat ru u chancellor ka USTM Hawk bat kentop ki professor bat ki samla pule katai ka skul ba
Majud na jago, please, majud na jago na.
Thank you very much, everyone, for being a part of this great ceremony, and we are seeking the blessings from all of you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Knowledge beyond the sea of wisdom. Always remember to live life responsibly. Also, when life becomes too real, take a little time to create. Thank you.
The dropout. From BSc, we were a college, I was studying there, I didn't complete because my ambition was different, my dream was different. So I left my college. But still I have a big connection with all the colleges, all the universities here. And many of my friends, they're working for the colleges, for the universities. Anyway, it's good to have a doctorate degree without having a graduation. And Lou's also like that, he just told me. You were doing good college also. At least I went to college to see what it is. But he left him, I think 10 as well. Actually, we are doing changes. We changed our dream, our ambition, and whatever I am now, that's because of the people like you. So thank you. Always rise, shine, and go ahead for the future. Thank you very much.
In less than 22 years, CIDM has transcended this humble beginning. It's now encompasses 2 CBSE affiliate senior secondary schools, 1 women's college, engineering college, BEd college, 2 pharmacy colleges, an Ayurvedic college, a business school, and a law college, and 1 this distinguished university where we gathered to celebrate today. With a student enrollment of exceeding 12,000 and dedicated workforce over 1,600 individuals who wholeheartedly contribute as a partners in our mission, your next journey is one of the inspiration and growth. Today we stand with immense happiness at USTM and achieve the remarkable distinction of being the first private university from Northeast to receive Grade A from the NAC. Additionally, our university has earned a position among the top 200 universities in India as per NIR ranking consecutively for last 3 years. These remarkable accomplishments are a testimony to the sincere dedication of our entire university community over the past few years, culminating in this inspiring recognition. Our path to excellence is guided by well-defined milestones in our journey to shape USTM an institute of eminence by 2026. By 2026, we aim to elevate USTM in one of the nation's premier universities. But recently we found the people coming from all over the world. They are coming either there. Before 26, we are becoming world-class institutions. Because this university is sometimes great water. And now we are trying to come up with the water research center at this university. We express our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the government of Meghalaya for enacting the legislation in 2008, paving the way for the foundation of USTM. I must recall the contribution of our beloved late P.S. Sarma, and you are all knowing the tribute we are trying to give, that our upcoming medical college is coming in the name of late P.S. Sarma. The former Chief Minister who has instrumental, and Dr. late Dr. Bhoi, who the enactment has been made when they were the Chief Minister. We want to fulfill the expectation of the government of Meghalaya and try to make it a global destination for teaching, learning and research. My dear students, as you stand on the brink of a new chapter, it is your dedication and inspiration that shape the identity and potential of our university. You are the principal spirit behind USTM. The degrees you earn are not mere certificates. They are the keys that unlock the vast realm of knowledge.
Gusto orang jiso tenat na market di gini ki irong ni basu wan. Ini kalau ti bang ya mga kamdi mga namanta yala di naga bentai la di Bah Lou Majaw kini ke jengin. Ton kini ke jengin di kota. Kam juga. Sundai tang.
Are you accompanied with someone?
Bhoi yang alapet hai kini kebaga bagai in kong do kadai ke akor kebaga. Mesti orang akan terang disiplin. Dia kadai kini ke bakong sando swa. Haji im junu maknaru. Kejong jong pi jong ya berkoi. Akor sekian mereka akor. Kenang bah kejeng im kada mungkin don atli gelati. Kasong berpinjit. Kuat ban im gelati. Nang koi. Cây cái bên trên cổng vậy hôm đây cái em đồn cả mà tôi cái tí bên đây cái gì chính em ăn cả thì để phi giết cái này cái này tí cái đây phi bạn này thì cái này năm ta cho một giết ăn tí biang ăn cả thì cái thằng một lạ bên này ấy na cái ta chụp vậy nghiêm đây mình phát tăng lên
All dry fruits, this is, you see?
We are all nuts, my
dates
God,
from
man.
outside. So please, and we are blessed because of your presence. And tell me how I can help more and more, and we can work. We want to make Meghalaya and this corner, especially this corner which was ignored. Nothing was done earlier, but now because of this university, we want to make.
And now it's shining.
Yes, it's shining, and it will be shining in the coming days.
Even more.
Yes,
And
but you must be visiting at least 6 months, at least once in a 6 months.
All right.
Yes, then yes, today,
then
then you can talk to our cultural group of students.
All right,
We have
all
many
right, we'll
students
do
who have a
that.
kind of ambition in the field of culture. Which one is correct? Which one is correct? Whether it is flat, or gate, or campus, or medical college, or the students not allowing to appear, allowing to get the job. Which one is correct? We are ready for all the points. We have taken everything positively. We want to make our students a competent citizen and loved by everyone to face any kind of competitive examination anywhere. Why I will be thinking for a local job? We are thinking for a global job. We are thinking for our students to compete UPSC examination, to get the examination. So we are positive people, we have a positive team, and we are working relentlessly. So if we have a long journey to make, when you are planning to go to Delhi, if somebody is asking something in nearby the road, you will ignore. You will think that now I have to make a journey to Delhi. Why I will be listening someone? So it is our commitment that we have to reach a destination, and this destination by 2030 we want to make our university a globally accepted teaching, learning and research center. We want to see that 50% of the students community from the globe, especially ASEAN countries, they are coming, and we want to nurture our local children, creating a global community. Why people are so much crazy? Why parents are a dreamer to send their children to Oxford, Cambridge, MIT? Why? Because it's an institution of that kind, where in a one bench, if you find 3 students are sitting, you will find these 3 students from 3 different countries. So why it is not possible here in the state of Meghalaya? It is possible. Only that we have to have a vision, we have to have a good team, and we have to have a honesty in our work. This university started with 6 students of biotechnology. Today we have more than 40 departments. We have more than 6,000 students. We have students from nook and corner of the northeastern region. So our action speaks. We cannot say something theoretically that there is no evidence. Our action, you talk to our students, that how we are providing services. We have lots of limitations. We don't have a hostel, proper hostel. We don't have a kind of canteen in the campus. During the break time, let's say a crowd. We don't have a transportation facility. The outsiders are running the transportation. We don't have a sufficient hostel facility. So we have a long way to go. So we need not bother all nonsense. We need not bother also such kind of comments from any sources. We are completely focusing on education and education.